This is Susan Zheng from China Zhejiang Ounuo Machinery. Today let's have a look at the frame parts of Oyang paperback machine. The whole frame material as follows. Wallboard adapter material, Nagila cast iron, QT400 or QT500. Nagila cast iron is a high-strength material. It has comprehensive performance, is close to steel, which is based on its excellent features. It has been successfully used for casting some parts with complex force, high strength, toughness, and wear resistance. Wallboard thickness is 50 mm. The solid and stable frame is one of the most basic factors for the machine to run at high speed without shaking. In addition, welding iron adopt Q235, thickness 16 to 40 mm, or the cover and the door thickness 1.5 to 2 mm. Paperback machine man many right, working experience more than 15 years. Choose better materials, matching with better talents, make a better Oyang paperback machine. Pay attention to us. More machine introduction will share in next time video. Bye bye.